Good afternoon, YouTube winners. 2021 is your year. I hope you guys are making it a good year. We sure are over at bitcoinacademy.net. I have been working with a group of very special folks now for about 3 years. Some of you might know I was out there in the open in 2017. Things got a little crazy, they got a little wild, and I decided to retreat a little and work with who I wanted to work with and not just be out there for come one, come all. But that group of folks came over, joined me in a Patreon group back in 2018. I believe we started in July. And we have navigated the entire bear market, making some money along the way. We did make some money along the way, and we've done well. But now our bull market has kicked off, and all of the positions that we have accumulated through the bear market are starting to do fantastic. If you know anything about me, I am not a day trader. I do not day trade. I did that for years and years. Became successful at it, got old doing it, got gray hair doing it, sleeping at the base of my chair. No longer do I day trade. I am a swing trader. I am in the mode of creating wealth. I am not in the mode of making money. Please do not come over to see us if you want to make money. Only come see us if you want to create wealth, because that is what we're doing. And today, I'm going to show you a little bit about what we have going on in Cardano. You'll see here on this chart. We'll start with this monthly chart. You'll notice that we have a support zone here, or resistance rather, that we are now on the monthly passing through. Once we close a weekly or even a 3-day candle above this level, this 74 cents level, you're probably going to see this begin to go a little bit more exponential. Now, guys, I have a group that pays to get all the inside information, so I won't be sharing that with you today, but let me tease you a little bit. You see over here this little green box. Let's drill this down on a weekly chart. In 2018, we were waiting on this green box to start buying Cardano. I know groups on YouTube that were buying it up here at 40. I know groups that were buying it right here on the pullback at 31. I know people that were buying it over here at 12 cents. We were waiting. My target was 2 cents to buy back into Cardano after the big bull market of 17. So guys, we started buying Cardano here. We bought Cardano over here. You can just stretch this out. Some people have even bought it a little higher. But, you know, for me personally, one of my largest positions is about just under 500,000 coins at 2 cents. I have 3 positions. I'm well over 1 million coins. Thankfully, we can stake Cardano. George over at the Bitcoin Academy has taught everybody how to stake it safely, keep their coins in their hands, not on some platform that could go down or be hacked that maybe you might earn a little more on, but you don't have control of your coins. So he's taught how to do that. And guys, we have a target. We have a target that we're looking for on Cardano. And I'm going to share with you just a little bit. I'm not going to give you our targets. The people that pay for our service, they would not appreciate me giving you our targets. But let's just pretend for a minute. Let me tell you this. On the targets we're looking for, we still have a long ways to go, guys. Long ways to go. We are swing traders. I have at least 15 people that in the last week have sent me a message and said, my Cardano wallet is over $1 million. Thank you very much. One wallet. One wallet. We have many, many, many positions. One wallet, over $1 million. I have at least 15 to 18 people that have sent me that message just in the last probably 3 or 4 days. And now there's going to be more, because guess what? Just today, this has gone up pretty big. But let's look at this for a minute, okay? Let's just take a look at Cardano. Again, I'm not going to give you any targets, but from here, we came up to here. We didn't take any profit. We knew we had a pullback to here. Anybody that wasn't in, I was telling them right in here at 7, 8, 9 cents. I actually pivoted, I'll tell you about that in a minute, out of another trade. Let's take this up. I'm not going to show you where our targets are, but let's just take it to there for now. Let's bring it back to here for now, and then let's take it on up here to the end of the year. Okay? Not going to tell you where these targets are. My targets get hit 85–90% of the time. Sometimes they get hit absolutely to the penny. Sometimes they get hit within 25 cents. Sometimes I'm $1 or $2 off. But come over and check it out, because the folks in our private group are absolutely loving what they're learning. Most importantly, what they're learning, because I'm not going to do this forever. But secondly, they're also getting to make money, lots of money, create wealth while they're learning. Now, let's talk about this just a minute. This portion right here, we are into what we call 3 of 3. 3 of 3. We have a date in mind of when 3 and 3 ends. We have a date in mind of what price it ends at. And by the way, it is 100% on target for time and price. And it's got a ways to go. But I have to tell you, right now, because I am doing this video to talk to you about how we create wealth over here. Let's go in the middle of this green box. And let's take it up to right there. We are currently on probably a lot of our largest positions. We are currently sitting at 30, let's see how that plans out, 38 times our money. I know there's some people on YouTube with 300,000 people in their channel. We've been very quiet in the background. We haven't been trying to bring in hundreds of thousands of people. Right now, what I notice is that every single person on YouTube is an authority figure, no matter how old they are, no matter how long they've been in crypto, and they're giving you bad advice. They're telling you, listen to my video because this is all you need to know about this. And I've kind of heard enough. And so now what I want to do is I want to show you guys what we are doing, real time, what we're doing, and how wealth can be created. You don't have to sit through another bear market. You don't have to get out early. You don't have to get out late. You don't have to not know when to get in and when to get out. There is a method that you can follow that teaches you these things. And that's what we teach at the Bitcoin Academy. Me and my partner, George. George handles all the tech stuff. Right now, in fact, right now, he's in the process of putting out all that's needed for folks to know on how to take advantage of one of the top projects that we're involved in that's gone up pretty hefty the last 3 days. Oh my goodness. And they're about to have a big airdrop. And so he's putting everything together right now to give to our folks for free. No charge. No charge. But if you're in the Patreon group, you'll get it for free. And it's not an extra charge. It's not an extra video. It's not an extra thing. And our folks are going to make a lot of money from it. Kind of like they're making a lot of money from Flamingo. Not too many people talking about Flamingo, but yet we're up considerably on our Flamingo purchases already. And we have some targets that go way, way, way higher than the current price of Flamingo. So anyway, come check it out. But guys, look. Right here, when we pulled back right here, let me be very transparent with you. I promote when it comes to our main cryptocurrencies, Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, Neo, Cardano, whatever it is. I promote on our bigger cryptocurrencies, what I kind of call the more of a guaranteed stack. I promote having a long-term, you don't sell it until you hit ultimate tops. I promote that stack of coins, and then I promote a short stack of coins. Well, for me, a short stack of Ethereum in this scenario was almost 1,000 coins, and I had sold those when Ethereum hit, I think it was 400 and some change, and I was looking for a much bigger pullback, and Ethereum just took off without me. Now, keep in mind, I still have a very big stack of Ethereum, okay? I'm good. Ethereum's doing great for me. The wealth is compounding daily. But I needed a place to go with that Ethereum. So right over here, we started a new trade at about 7-8 cents with our Ethereum that we took out at around 400. Now let's think about that. Ethereum at 400, and we've got targets on Ethereum that go pretty nicely, but let's look at it now at say 1800. You're 4.5 times your money. How did our pivot trade work out by going into Cardano? We're up 10 times our money. 10 times our money. This was not $500. For me, for a lot of people, it wasn't $500. It wasn't $10,000. It wasn't, I mean, guys, do the math. Do the math. This was a multiple six-figure trade. And right now we're up 10x our money, and we're not even thinking about selling. This is well on its way to our target. And when other people who haven't been looking at charts for 20 years are going to be telling you, yep, I'm taking some off right here, or, oh, I got out yesterday, or, oh, now's the time to get in. Here's everything you need to know about Cardano. We're already in from way lower, way, way lower. We have positions back here. We have pivot positions over here. And as I said to you already in this video, and understand, I'm making this video to you not to brag. Anybody that knows me knows that I don't brag. I am working my little bitty buns off to try and help as many people as I can help join me on a team that we call the Binge Team. And the Binge Team is the big income, no job. And you know what? You can't be on the Binge Team if you have to babysit a computer monitor all the time because you're a day trader. You can't be on the Binge Team if you work for a job for $30,000 a month. Big income, no job means that you have a huge income, no job, and nobody writes in your calendar but you. Nobody tells you what you're doing on a Monday. You set your Monday based on what the weather is when you wake up. I am in the process of helping a large number of people reach the Binge Team. Some of them are already there. Some of them are already living the binge life. They're already traveling between the UK and Bali. They're already traveling between the UK and Dubai. And they're living their binge life. They're chasing their heart passions because they don't have to change money. So I'm not here today to do this video to brag to you. Yes, I'm telling you way late, but I'm also telling you we're going to be doing this for the next 6-7 years together, because I'm of the belief, and I did a video about this in our Patreon just yesterday. I am of the belief that we have several more bull markets to go, and I even have already pinpointed in my worldview what those dates are when the bear market starts, what prices will be at. Do you know what it is? Do you know what dates it is? Do you have the fractal pattern that goes along with the rise of liquidity? Do you know what that is? Has anyone taught you that? Or have they just said, here's the next crazy coin for 1000x, come learn now all you need to know? Folks, I'm telling you right now, it's one thing to make money. It's a second thing to create wealth. It's a whole different thing to create wealth while you learn what you need to know to be able to do this for yourself. So yes, I'm here today to tell you what we're doing, show you the X factor, and I'm going to keep doing that every day because we're in a whole bunch of trades. I mean, we've got trades right now that are up 50 times our money, and we're still going with them. The targets are on track. And I'm just telling you, you can come and do that too. We're going to continue to do this. These trades aren't over. There's going to be more trades to take. Do you know at what price Bitcoin is going to have a bigger correction, a longer time correction, and then crank this rally back up again in 2021? Do you know what time that is? Do you know what price that is? We talk about that every day. Come join us, guys. We're having a lot of fun. We want to help you too. Hope you enjoyed this little video. I've got one out coming to you tomorrow as well, and I think even George is going to bring you a free video in the next 24 hours. Guys, have a super, super Wednesday. 2021 is your year. Make it your year.